Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I will teach you how to sew a raglan sleeve for a raincoat, along with all the other necessary components. I would be grateful if you would write your opinions for me. First, we identify the front part of the sleeve and the back part of the sleeve, and then we take the patterns. We connect and sew one of the front sleeve parts and one of the back sleeve parts together along the center line of the sleeve. We open the seam from the middle and press it with an iron. We also turn back the seam allowance of the sleeve edge/hem and press it. We mark 7 centimeters above the sleeve edge/hem. We need to sew 3 tabs on the sleeve, 1 under the arm and 2 on the outside or top of the arm. We need to sew 3 tabs on the sleeve, 1 under the arm and 2 on the outside or top of the arm. We place the tabs on the garment piece this way and sew them. The tab that is sewn under the arm must first have the sleeve seam sewn, and then we sew this tab. The next step is sewing the epaulette, or shoulder tab, and it doesn't matter if we sew it from the top or from the bottom. This sewing is entirely a matter of preference or style. I won't provide an explanation because the sewing steps are completely clear, obvious in the video.